Remove it first, put it here initially. Additional film layer. Take a look at Nubia phones for reference. Don't blink below. The moment to witness miracles has come. Nubia's logo has appeared. Not over yet. Need to experiment with various functions of phone. All normal, no exceptions. I will switch on the camera. Everyone look, can take photos normally. No problem. Open the music again. The sound can be played normally. I'll capture. I'll record the sound. The sound is very clear. All functions are working properly.